Okay, guys, good afternoon. I'm doing my afternoon walk after my review. I'm starting having my review on my CELPIP or the Canadian Language English, no, Canadian English Language Proficiency Index Pathway or Program. So that's CELPIP. So, there's one thing that I want to share with you. Here in Canada, uh, uso dito yung mga tinatawag na storm water management facility, or ito yung mga tinatawag na mga lake, man-made lake. Luwat at my back, ito ay land man-made lake.